Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing everything. It's like the internet revolution all over again, but bigger. AI is about machines learning and making decisions like humans, but faster and often better. This technology is creating incredible opportunities to make money. Why? Because AI can automate tasks, analyze data for insights, and even create new products and services. Whether you're an entrepreneur, employee, or investor, understanding AI's potential is crucial in the coming years. This isn't just for tech geniuses. With a little knowledge, you too can leverage AI for financial success. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. AI, at its core, is about making machines smart. Let's break down some key terms. Machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to identify a cat in a photo. You don't program every detail. You feed it tons of cat pictures, and it learns the patterns. That's machine learning, natural language processing, or NLP. This is AI understanding and communicating with us through language. Think chatbots, language translation apps, and even predictive text. Computer vision, giving machines the power of sight. This AI allows computers to see and interpret images and videos, powering things like facial recognition and self-driving cars. These are just a few examples. The key takeaway is that AI is diverse and its applications are vast. Now let's talk about how to turn this knowledge into profit. Here are some practical examples. Developing AI apps. Can you create an app that solves a problem using AI? Think language learning apps powered by NLP or financial planning apps using machine learning to personalize advice. AI consulting. Businesses are eager to integrate AI but often lack the expertise. If you understand AI, you can consult for them, helping them implement AI solutions to optimize operations or develop new products. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are seeing a surge in demand for AI-related skills. From data annotation for machine learning to creating AI-powered marketing content, there are numerous freelance opportunities. These are just starting points. The more creative you are with applying AI, the greater your earning potential. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial for identifying new income streams. Here are some trends to watch. Generative AI. This AI goes beyond analysis. It creates. Think AI writing music, designing logos, or even generating realistic images. This opens doors for artists, designers, and content creators to collaborate with AI. AI-powered personalization. From tailored product recommendations to personalized healthcare, AI is making experiences more individualized. This trend creates opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses to offer highly customized solutions. AI for social good. AI is being used to address global challenges like climate change, poverty, and disease. This sector presents opportunities for individuals and organizations passionate about making a positive impact. By keeping your finger on the pulse of AI advancements, you can position yourself to capitalize on emerging opportunities. You don't need to be a tech whiz to profit from AI. Investing in AI-driven companies is a great way to participate in this growth sector. AI chip manufacturers, for instance, are developing the powerful processors that fuel AI algorithms and are poised for tremendous growth. Then, there are cloud computing providers. AI requires massive computing power, and cloud platforms provide the infrastructure. Investing in leading cloud providers offers exposure to the AI boom. And let's not forget about AI-focused ETFs. Exchange-traded funds allow you to invest in a basket of AI-related companies, providing diversified exposure to this rapidly growing sector. Remember, investing always carries risk. Thorough research and potentially consulting a financial advisor are crucial before making investment decisions. The ethical side of AI: making money responsibly. As we embrace AI's potential, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. AI should be used responsibly and for the benefit of society. Bias in AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases, the AI can perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Job displacement. While AI creates new jobs, it also automates existing ones, potentially leading to job losses in certain sectors. Data privacy AI relies heavily on data, raising concerns about the collection, storage, and use of personal information. By being mindful of these ethical considerations, we can work towards harnessing AI's power for good while mitigating potential negative consequences. Skills for the AI age: equipping yourself for success. In an increasingly AI-driven world, certain skills will be highly valuable. Investing in your education and development is key to thriving in this evolving landscape. Data literacy, understanding data, and being able to extract insights from it is crucial. Familiarize yourself with data analysis tools and techniques. Critical thinking and problem-solving AI can automate tasks, but human ingenuity in solving complex problems will remain highly sought after. Creativity and innovation. As AI handles routine tasks, human creativity and the ability to generate novel ideas will become even more valuable. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential in the age of AI. Embrace lifelong learning and stay curious. AI and the future of work: embracing the transformation. AI is transforming the job market. Rather than fearing this change, embrace the opportunities it presents. New job roles. AI is creating entirely new job categories, such as AI trainers, AI ethicists, and AI explainability specialists. Augmentation, not replacement. In many cases, AI will augment human jobs, not replace them entirely. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. Focus on uniquely human skills. Skills that require emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving will be in high demand as AI takes over more routine tasks. By adapting your skills and embracing lifelong learning, you can thrive in the future of work shaped by AI. Seizing the AI advantage. Your journey starts today. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming our world. By understanding AI, identifying opportunities, and developing relevant skills, you can position yourself for success in this exciting new era. Whether you're an entrepreneur, employee, investor, or simply curious about the future, now is the time to embrace AI and unlock its potential. The journey starts today.